Description: our most concentrated all-in-one formula for strength repair for all types of damaged hair. This ultra-rich vegan sulfate-free conditioner provides ultimate strength repair, intense conditioning and hair color fade protection. Benefits: strength repair for dry, damaged hair. Reinforces weakened bonds with immediately visible results. Suggested use: after shampooing, apply and distribute through wet hair. Rinse. Use daily as needed. You are 4 simple steps away from changing your hair. Experience Redken's ultra-rich and concentrated bonding care complex formulated with citric acid. Redken system reinforces weakened hair bonds, repairs your hair's strength, and keeps hair color vibrant. Intensive strength repair. Inside out. With continued use of acidic bonding concentrate intensive treatment, shampoo, and conditioner. Top reviews from the United States. Worked a miracle. So happy my stylist recommended this for me. My hair is fine, with blonde highlights. It was getting so broken and dry near the ends. I used this and at first hated it. It was causing my hair to be oily. But I figured out I was using too much. You don't need very much at all. A bottle will last me around 3 months. I just use it on the lengths. And it has literally changed the texture of my hair. No longer dry and brittle. I recommend it to anyone who has color or highlights or just to keep your hair in great shape.